In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up Fun Password on Gate. Fun Password adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a separate password for important financial actions, such as withdrawals, transfers, and other sensitive transactions. Let's get started. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon and navigate to Security Settings. This section contains all of the security features available for your account. Scroll through the security options until you find Fun Password. If you haven't created one yet, you'll see the option to set up or create Fun Password. Click or tap on it to begin. Next, create a strong Fun Password. This password should be unique and different from your login password. Using a separate password helps protect your assets even if someone gains access to your login credentials. After entering your new Fun Password, you'll usually be asked to confirm it by typing it again. Make sure both entries match exactly. For security purposes, Gate may ask you to complete additional verification before saving the new password. This could include entering an email verification code, an SMS verification code, or a code generated by your authenticator app. Once you've successfully completed the verification process, click Confirm or Save. Your Fun Password will now be activated and ready to protect sensitive account activities. And that's how you set up a Fun Password on Gate.com.